Hello, this is Lewis Tuck, and today I will be explaining. What am I explaining? List boxes, check boxes, and group. Oh wait, no, not list boxes. Check boxes, group boxes, and radio buttons. First, I'll start with the check boxes. I have an example here with the rock bands you like. See, these are the boxes is your submissions, your answers. See, if you like Metallica, you might check this box, check this box, if you like Guns N' Roses. But if you don't like Creedence Clearwater, you can leave it blank, press the button, and it comes up with the message box. Radio buttons are similar but different because it's between options. You could only select one and not the other options. The other options don't matter. But with checkboxes, you can select multiple options. And the group box is you see up here, it says rock bands you like. Pretty much a group box just contains everything. It contains properties. It's pretty much something you can put properties into and like features pretty much. You know, your group boxes, radio buttons, that's what they go into, your group boxes. That's what it can contain multiple properties within it. It's a text box, but it can have more than just text. You know what I'm saying? It's similar to other, like the text box, but it can contain and have more in it. Okay. I think that's it. Alright.